This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware compatibility and OS readiness. Check your GPU model and ensure it lists DirectX 11 support. This matters because software relies on feature levels. Once done, install all pending Windows updates so system components match the runtime. Next, download the latest vendor drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and place the installers in a single folder. This avoids interruptions. It also gives you the installer files in case you need to roll back. Now you remove old drivers and install the correct stack. Use Device Manager or Display Driver Uninstaller to remove remnants. This prevents conflicting DLLs. After reboot, run the GPU vendor installer and pick Custom or Clean Install to replace everything. Once the driver is in place, run the Microsoft DirectX End User Runtime Installer. This restores optional DLLs that some applications expect. Make sure to reboot after each major change. Doing so ensures the kernel and driver match, which DirectX requires to work properly. Finish by forcing the application to use DirectX 11. Set launch options or change in-game renderer to DirectX 11 if available. Some games require a command line flag. Verify success with DXdiag. Look at DirectX version and feature levels to confirm 11 support. If the app crashes or shows black screens, roll back to the previous driver or reinstall the DirectX runtime. Also examine game and Windows event logs for missing DLL errors. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.